Are you missing a critical code dependency like the msxml3a DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to show you the professional way to fix it. Before we get into the technical process for msxml3a, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the msxml3a, the Microsoft XML v3.0 ANSI shim. It provides unmanaged routines for XML parsing on legacy systems or within applications utilizing ANSI string manifests. It facilitates the orchestration of structured data links for older software configuration. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Microsoft XML Core Services, ANSI. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the msxml3a file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Most individual downloads of msxml3a DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to msxml3a. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for msxml3a or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.